By 2026, AI will be smarter, faster, and more integrated into our workflows. But does that mean programmers are at risk of losing their jobs? Let's uncover the truth. AI tools have come a long way. From generating boilerplate code to helping debug complex systems, they've transformed how we work. But where is this trend headed? Today, AI excels at automating repetitive tasks, generating templates, and even offering code suggestions. It's like having an incredibly smart assistant, but it still struggles with tasks requiring deep problem solving, creativity, and context awareness. By 2026, all programmers won't be replaced but will work alongside AI. Your role will shift towards creative problem solving, designing systems, and innovating in ways AI simply can't. Entry-level coding jobs, like simple web development, may face challenges as low-code and no-code platforms grow. But specialized and strategic roles will remain secure, at least for now. By 2026, AI will be a powerful collaborator, not a replacement. Programmers who adapt to AI and leverage it effectively will thrive in this new tech landscape. Future-proof your career by embracing AI tools, mastering system design, and focusing on skills that AI can't replace, like creativity and strategy. So, will AI replace programmers by 2026? Not entirely. It will reshape the industry, but there will always be a need for skilled, creative problem solvers. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for our next video on mastering AI tools to boost your programming skills.